done. You and Chelsea, mate. Really? Fuck off, mate. We'd be coming over your man and mob-handed, and we'd be going over their mob-handed. And this time, we're fucking wrecking. We were. We had 10,000 fucking news going on your manor, mate. You fucking gooner cunts. Go on, fuck off, cunt. I mean, you. Will Liverpool win? No, I don't, mate. No, fucking don't, cunt. I'm a Tottenham fan. I don't want no Liverpool fan. Will he, mate? Will he, mate? So what, mate? I'm a geek, mate. I want Napoli, mate. Next question. Go on, Napoli. Go on, Napoli. Yeah, go on, Napoli. You fucking Liverpool muppet. On your way, mate. On your way, mate. I'm a fucking geek, mate. I'm a geek, mate. And we don't like Chelsea, Arsenal, no, we don't. We'll cause chaos when we go over there 2 weeks, we will cause carnage. Fucking carnage over there, you fucking gooner cunts. We hate you, we hate you. Them and Chelsea, them and Chelsea. Them and Chelsea, there's always trouble. Of course there's trouble. We don't like the pair of cunts. Fuck them, Chelsea cunts, fuck off.